Hello, I'm Chris McCloskey, head producer and animator and actor and writer here at Paranoia Studios. Here at Paranoia, we really try to tend to give the audience what they want, whether we're right or not. I think that I could say that we're probably up there in the not least popular videos of all time on YouTube. I mean, our last video is such a success. I mean, it broke the barrier between obscurity and nothingness. It was quite something, and I don't know what else I could say really. I mean, this company everyone is just so amazing. The employees here are wonderful, I have to tell you that much. Yeah, I mean, here on the computers of Paranoia Studio set of legendary studios films from Yoda Rap 1 and 2 all the way to something like Nerdly Nerdance. I mean, this is really you can say a lot of media history has taken place here. It's the kind of history you'd have to look up on like some really website that like is on the edge of being reliable, but I mean, that's us. It's us. Yeah, I mean, I love getting interviewed. I don't like looking into the camera that much, and I especially hate getting cut out. Like when I'm in mid-sentence, I just get cut out. Like I'll say something like, "By the way, did you see that movie the other day? You know, the one where..." Hi, today I'm going to show you how some stunts I've done here at Paranoia Studio. That's one day stunts. See, I can show you how to do it. Ooh. Yeah. The work is done here for today. Yeah. And then like later on, I come back in mid-sentence, and like they kind of take my words out of context, and it's just really weird. You know, I leave it up to my production team to cut around videos. Yeah, I don't know how I got into the studio. I don't. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a very good security guy. I'm the kind of security guy that falls asleep at the gate while eating donuts and drinking apple cider. But, you can call me Frank, or Joe, either one. Mike, something like that. But don't call me Mr. Burns. Do not call me Mr. Burns. I hate that. I don't know why people call me that. And don't call me Monty. Montgomery, anything like that. Any form of it, any different thing like that. I hate it. 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 That mask is cutting off my circulation. Yeah, I would definitely say that I'm full of... And that my logic is like... and maybe sometimes that when I do that thing that I do when I go like, and especially when and then like I do this thing, I don't know if you've heard of it, but I go like, and then thing a lot of people find weird is that I like to all over the place, and then on the floor, in the floor, that'd be just too, for me, I mean, I can, but I don't do anything like, and I just recently learned what the word means, so, I mean, it turns out that it means, means, but it's okay, because, it just is. Also, I learned a new term I hadn't even heard before. It goes like, means like when, and, also, there's a weird thing I heard. It says something like, that is the mixture of, and I didn't even need to be censored on that one, so I don't know why. I'll try swearing. Mother. The weather outside today is so wonderful. Damn. Like I said before, I'm full of cheer. I hardly know to crack me on that. That is... It is insane. It is